Yeah, I just did me a make believe waterfall with hot glue gun, moss with the moss, whatever you call it, fake grass, whatever. My little flowers, rocks, shells, birds, fishes, sharks, water, which is that's glue, hot gun glue, and rocks, y'all. And up here, the flowers and the rocks. And I also put lights on it. Let me turn the lights on for y'all. And that's the lights. So from the distance, that's how it look. And up close, to get y'all a good look at my waterfall I made. Took me 2 hours. Is I got shells over there too, y'all. Fishes, the little birds, and my little waterfall coming out the little flower pot. Yeah. So y'all, that's my waterfall with the lights. So I'ma set it somewhere in the living room. And I have the little turtle right there. So y'all, thank y'all. Tell me how y'all like it. I'm gonna make a bigger one next time. Then another one might be with real water. But y'all, that's it. I gotta go to work. Bye y'all.